Okay, so I wanted to go over today what I got. I purchased this gun used. We have a website in Pennsylvania, Renug Classifieds, Penswoods Classifieds. They allow you to, list your firearms and stuff on there. I'm not going to be firing this today. I'm going to make a future video about that. I just kind of wanted to go over the deal that I got. So this is a CZ Scorpion Evo. This is the Evo 3 S1, and I paid $1,800 for this. So now before you say, oh wow, that's a lot of money for that gun, it did come with quite a few upgrades that I'm going to show you guys. I think I got a pretty decent deal on it. Just looking at the rifle right now, it has the sights, the flip sights on here. The previous owner did the did the arm brace. Now this one flips down like that, has the little hook down here to get to put up against your shoulder, and then it also has a new grip, and then the other thing that this actually has already installed in it is the Franklin Armory binary trigger, which is pretty cool because you can flip it. That's just single fire, and then that's going to be your binary trigger right there, all the way over like that. Came with a new trigger as well. Light down here has the duckbill magazine release there. So let me get out my the other stuff here that came with it. Oh, it came with this sling too. So let me pull those the other stuff out. Ta-da! Now, as you can see, it came with all this other stuff. Now, the first thing that it came with, it actually had this attached to it. This is a Trijicon Acog Reflex sight. Pretty good condition, actually. It had this coating put on it. Obviously, it was originally black. And then it also came with 19 stick mags. I'm not really sure what you would do with that many stick mags, but it came with those mags. About half of them are the CZ Scorpion mags. Then then there's about another half of them that are these Palmetto Armory mags. I believe those are the only two kinds of mags it has. Also included, I also got these F5 50 round mags right here. Two of those, pretty good condition. And then also the 100 round beta mag also I got with that. So that was pretty, there's quite a bit of magazines that I have for this thing. Also, you notice they're loaded. They came like that. So there was about roughly around 400 rounds of ammo that came with the deal as well. And then lastly, it also came with the HB Industries CZ Scorpion Micro K conversion kit. That's actually what's installed. If you go back and look at the gun, that's actually installed. So these are the original shroud and barrel for the gun that it came with. So it has a longer barrel and the shroud that I can put back on it if I want to. As you can see, quite a bit of difference actually with this on it. You get the noticeably shorter barrel on there. Came with an extra grip that comes down here, but this light's on there now with it. So, I'm going to get out there and fire it, show some binary trigger firing with this thing. But figured I'd show you guys what I got. Like I said, I think I got a pretty decent deal with all this stuff for 1,800 bucks. I know you guys out there probably have gotten some pretty slamming deals on some other things, but for the most part, I'm pretty happy with this. So future vids will be firing this beast off. All right, have a good day.